Hi guys, I'm going to Robinson.
What are you going to do there?
I'm going to play with my friends.
Oh, do you have friends there?
Yes.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you have a lot of friends. So, what are you going to play?
Playhouse.
Okay. What?
There's many toys there.
In the
Playhouse.
in
The
Robinsons?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi guys.
What are you wearing?
A dress. And
Why do you like that dress?
because Mama gave it to me.
Why? Because?
Because I like it.
Oh. Can I have that?
No way.
Why?
Because it's mine.
Ah, okay. Gana ganing kuan unsa man ning rabana? It's a rabana. Hey. Thank you very much. What's this? Oh, mercy. Charming. Okay. May katol para lamok. And then okay. Domix. Wait, out. Kanang kuan sa CR.
I'm going to open my toy.
Oh, what is that toy?
Mama buy it for me.
Okay, babe, we will get a pair of scissors. Toy. What's inside in this toy? How much is this? Oh my god. Look, Mia, look. What is that? Another plastic? Another plastic to open? There. Okay, another one. What is inside here, Mia?
Mommy, open it.
Okay. Okay, open. 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 Okay. I'll help you na lang, B. So that ito. Sus, kadugay po daan ni ablihon ay. Ah, okay. What's that? Ano na?
Hard.
Heart.
Ablihon pa man.
Uy, ablihon pag yun. Oh my God. Katulog ka. Layers. Tulog ka layers man di ay. So how do you open that one?
This one,
That one.
ay, yan, ay. Press.
This one. Press 1. Press 2. Ano din na?
Ay, dyan.
Tari ako.
Ba?
Be, how? How do you open that one, kuya? You don't know how to open that one. What is inside? Naraday, kuya. Pero wala na kuan. Wala man na kwinta, kuya. Okay.
What's that?
Oh, show her what is inside.
It's a baby doll.
Huh? Diyan na.
Mauro na.
Mahal man lagi na.
Open it, Mommy. It's a baby doll.
Baby doll. Baby doll ko no.
It's a baby doll.
Sama na ay. Manay. Manay kuan. Okay. So, what will you say to your mama, oy?
Thank you, Mama.
Ay, nasa yung powder wheat.
Okay. Kamatis. What? Tell your mama.
Ma, can I go to Zach's house?
Why? Later. We will go to Taytay's house later. We'll go to Taytay's house later, okay?
And Zach, you will play with this one?
Yeah.
Yes?
You're going to let him borrow it?
Yes, there's two.
What's that?
There are green
Ito na. Makyata na ito yung panada na.
Mommy, I like it. chicken.
Yeah.
And then he grabbed the chicken and he got it from the chicken.
Mm.
And he pooped.
Hmm?
He pooped.
The chicken poops?
Yes, from the egg.
Mm.
Ala, princess na.
Okay. Go ahead. Tell me the story.
The papa gets the egg.
And then?
And then the princess gets a dress because he gets money for the princess.
And then?
And then Papa gets the golden egg.
That is Jack and the Beanstalk.
Jack and the Beanstalk.
Is that Jack and the Beanstalk?
Yes. Yes. As it's a thing.
And then?
Look.
And then what happened?
And the Beanstalk at last.
Huh?
The Beanstalk at last. Because Papa closed the door. Because he away him. Oh, he wants his house. Maybe he wants his house. Maybe the story. Chicken egg. There's many chicken there. Do you see that? No. That's not. How about this one, bro?
Why are you lying down?
Because I'm tired about.
You're tired.
Look at that one.
Children will not get tired.
Okay.
Oh, what's that?
And then the elephant. Turtle not.
Turtle.
Turtle. Cute not.
Cute.
It's animals. Turtle. Is that?
Yeah.
And that's a mama turtle.
Mm.
And this one is
What's that?
it's a tree. And it's a music. And then the cat went up and the princess cat. Yes, no. Get the cat there. Okay, like that. And then the bird gets the little one.
And then?
Because she gets it from the tree. And then the bird gets crying because he flies away. Because this one, the queen, gets away.
It's away.
And that,
The end.
the end.
Not yet.
How about that?
How about that?
That's a wolf.
Wolf. Is that a wolf?
It's a cat and it's a chicken.
Okay.
And it's a duck.
And then?
Pangit duck.
Pangit nga duck?
Yes,
Okay.
pangit. How about that one? It's a witch. Oh.
And then?
And then this one is a queen, so that he grabs his hair and climbs to the hair. And then so that the
Yeah, story.
mommy, look at this.
It's that.
That's Owen pretty.
Oh, there's no picture on it.
Not again, bro.
Mm.
The little princess on the queen.
Okay. Sige. How's that?
Look at this green one.
Mm.
This princess and the queen.
Mm. And then,
Girl, there's another one.
be, what's that?
It's for the queens and for the princess.
Okay.
Queen, and a princess.
Okay. Tell me what is the story about?
Bangit,
Pangit.
Papa. He's wearing a dress
Mm.
and doggy is a princess.
Mm.
Pangina. Honey. Baby, it's a bird.
Hmm?
It's a bird.
It's a bird.
Yes.
Oh.
Pangit.
Pangit.
They steal the money.
What's that?
Mommy, what's that?
Ano na?
Somebody opened the door.
Yeah. And then?
And then the little rat.
Hmm?
It's a little rat.
Lady rat. How can you say it's a lady rat?
Lady rat. Here we go. Pangit little rat. Mommy, look at it. Mommy, get. It's a cat.
Cat.
Baby rat. Boom.
What's that?
It's a castle.
Castle?
Check, there's a monster.
Pagkasamok po da ng imong buhok, oy. There's a monster in the castle?
Check down.
Hmm?
Check.
Let me check. Or you will be the one to check for me.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared.